Welcome back to CBS This Morning Saturday. We continue this half hour with fears of a second wave of the coronavirus in Europe. There are now more than 21 million cases of coronavirus around the world. It's resulted in more than 765,000 deaths. So as COVID cases climb in some of Europe's key holiday destinations, many travelers are now finding themselves caught in changing travel restrictions. Imtiaz Tyab reports.
It was planes, trains, and automobiles. Anything to get back to Britain after the UK government imposed a mandatory coronavirus quarantine on anyone traveling from France.
We're back in the UK. We made it.
The last-minute decision to take the nation off the list of exempt countries caused travel chaos.
I would have stayed in France longer, but I don't want to do the 2 weeks quarantine.
In Germany, which is reporting a 3-month high of over 1,400 new infections in 24 hours, mass testing at its main border crossings. This woman is returning from holiday in Italy, saying she decided to get tested not only for fellow citizens, but also because it's safer to return to work. While in Spain, which has reported nearly 4,000 new cases a day for the past 7 days, the government is closing nightclubs and banning smoking in public spaces. Student Gabriel Vicino agrees enclosed spaces pose a threat, but that nightlife in the streets should remain an option. Over in Croatia, and the party hasn't stopped. Despite daily COVID cases rising and some neighboring nations tightening travel measures to the country, the vital tourism sector is thriving. But as infections continue to surge across the continent, national health agencies are saying it's young people who are being hit the hardest. 40% of cases in France, Germany, Spain, the Netherlands, and Belgium are among 20 to 39-year-olds, prompting fears among experts that the virus could soon spread back to more vulnerable groups. But what to do about the economically vulnerable? Thousands of Albanians who live and work in Greece raced to the border after the Greek government announced tougher entry requirements to contain its surge in infections. A new normal, it seems, that's anything but. For CBS This Morning Saturday, Imtiaz Tyab, London.